There you go.
Okay, I got my hop up fixed. I can actually shoot.
You join me back at Azure and Airsoft Field on this cold day as we start with a game of Capture the Flag. Let's get into it.
I make videos for a living, but like I don't make action videos for a living, so I admire people like you and Novritsch and all these people that keep their cameras running in horrible conditions.
Yeah, it's
very
rough.
impressive.
Go, go, go! Oh.
With one enemy down, it's time to gain some ground and keep pushing them out. With each takedown, the path to the flag becomes more vulnerable. I must continue to apply pressure. While they run back to respawn, I take the chance to move in.
I just don't want to get hit. Where? Oh, black hat.
My shots barely float out to that distance, but my Wolverine MTW doesn't let me down.
Where is he?
Behind that barricade.
This little one?
No, not that
the
one.
Big one.
Right in front. Yeah.
Come on, sir. Cover, cover, cover. That's a girl.
Girl. There's one down by the fork tree down there. There you go. Alright now.
Okay, I got my hop up fixed. I can actually shoot.
The winter's cold is beginning to significantly affect my hop up as the bucking hardens. I must make haste while it's still effective.
Where are you shooting? Hey!
The flag is just one short push away from grasp.
Huh?
Rather than wait here any longer, I take the flag and make my escape.
Where's ours?
Stay down here, stay down here. I think we have people up there.
I think you're right.
We got two guys that went up there.
Can I get to the flag?
What?
Can I get to our flag?
And with this capture, the game would come to an end, with our team being victorious. If you found yourself enjoying the content, please consider leaving a like or a comment below, and if you can, please subscribe, as it really helps the channel. Until next time, stay awesome, and I hope to see you on my field.